Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to upgrade Ideogram account. So if you also want to upgrade Ideogram account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in ideogram.ai, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Ideogram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official home interface of Ideogram. From here, you'll be able to export several images created by others. You'll also be able to create the image on your own. If you want to enjoy more benefits, you might want to upgrade your account. So upgrading the account is very simple. All you have to do is click on the upgrade option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see several plans. Right now, I'm enjoying the free version of Ideogram. You can see what's included right over here. In all of these plans, you'll be able to see the price. Also, you'll be able to see the features. Read the features very carefully. This is the most popular plan. For example, if you want to choose the most popular plan, you can see the price over here. Also, you'll be able to see the features. The features for this plan is 1000 priority credits a month, unlimited slow credits, image upload, private generation, image deletion, custom color palettes. You can choose whether you want to pay annually or monthly. So for example, if you want to upgrade to Plus, simply click on the option Upgrade to Plus Annual. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the price over here. You can see the subtotal. You can also see the tax. You can see total due today. All you have to do is fill in these informations that you can see right over here. First of all, enter your card information, enter your card number. I'm just putting the random numbers over here. Now enter your card expiry date. Also enter your CVC. After that, you'll have to enter your name over here. Simply click on this option. Now enter the cardholder name. Also, you'll have to select the billing address. First of all, select the country. Click on this option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to select the country. Simply click on the country of your choice. Now enter the address line 1 and address line 2. Also enter the city. Also enter the zip. If you want to save your information, check on this box, securely save my information for one-click checkout. After that, what you have to do is click on the subscribe option that you can see right over here. Now, after the transaction has been completed, you'll be able to upgrade your account. So that is how you upgrade Ideogram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.